Garmin has officially dropped a brand new update that's creating waves among smartwatch enthusiasts. The Garmin Beta version 20.13, designed for some of the company's most advanced wearables, including the Garmin Fenix 8, Enduro 3, Fenix E, and Tactix 8. And as expected, it's packed with performance upgrades, bug fixes, and overall refinements that elevate the smartwatch experience to the next level. While this latest update is not yet available for Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin's move signals that a major stable update could be just around the corner. For those who've been following Garmin's beta testing cycle, you'll know that the company has been refining the V20.XX builds for almost a month now, gradually improving reliability, fine-tuning performance, and tackling long-standing issues reported by users. Now, Beta version 20.13 marks the first major post-launch update for Fenix 8 series since the Fenix 8 Pro was added to Garmin's beta program, and it's one of the most important ones yet, featuring over 8 targeted fixes and enhancements that improve everything from sensor accuracy to user interface behavior. This update, which is being delivered over the air, OTA, to eligible devices, is currently rolling out to around 20% of beta program participants, with wider availability expected over the next few days. If you're part of Garmin's beta program and haven't received the automatic notification yet, you can manually check for the update by heading to Settings, System, Software Update, Check for Updates. Once downloaded, beta version 20.13 installs quickly and brings noticeable improvements across different functions. According to Garmin's official changelog, this new firmware fixes a bug that caused auto-triggered settings to not properly restore after a backup or device restore, ensuring your personalized configurations stay consistent across syncs. It also resolved an odd issue where storm alerts would incorrectly appear during swimming activities, something that baffled many Fenix users engaged in open water workouts. That's not all. Another fix addresses the flashlight strobe mode, which previously continued flashing even after a pause activity, draining unnecessary battery and confusing users. Garmin didn't stop there. Beta 20.13 also resolved an issue where the Outdoor Maps Plus download menu would display a black screen, preventing users from easily accessing new map content. This is a big relief for adventure and hiking enthusiasts who rely on detailed maps for navigation during outdoor activities. In addition, the update addresses a potential crash that could occur when editing activity focus mode displays settings, improving system stability and reducing random reboots. Another major fix involves the InReach widget, which previously failed to automatically appear after pairing with an InReach satellite device, a crucial tool for outdoor adventurers relying on emergency communication. Moreover, the update finally fixes a touchscreen, remaining active during swimming activities in multisport modes, which previously led to accidental inputs. Lastly, Beta 20.13 resolves a voice alert frequency setting issue that prevented audio alerts from being triggered correctly, ensuring users receive the right feedback during workouts. Collectively, these changes may seem minor on the surface, but together, they address several key pain points reported by the community, making the overall Garmin experience far smoother and more reliable. What's especially noteworthy is how Garmin continues to actively engage with its beta program users to identify and address real-world problems. This ongoing feedback loop between Garmin engineers and the user base is what has made Garmin's ecosystem one of the most trusted in the smartwatch industry, especially among athletes, adventurers, and professionals who rely on precision and stability. The fact that this update has already brought the total number of changes in the V20XX development cycle to over 60 underscores just how dedicated Garmin is to refining its firmware before the stable release hits all devices. If you own a Fenix 8, Enduro 3, Fenix E, or Tactix 8, this update is a must-have, not only for performance fixes, but also for the subtle UI enhancements and responsiveness improvements users have started to notice post-installation. Many beta testers have already reported smoother transitions between menus, faster GPS lock-ins, and more accurate activity tracking after installing Beta 20.13. Although Garmin hasn't officially listed any new features beyond the 8 fixes, users speculate that the groundwork for upcoming functionalities, possibly related to Garmin's health status metrics and AI-driven performance suggestions, might be hidden within this update's code. hinting at what could arrive in the next major stable version. However, it's important to note that Fenix 8 Pro owners are still left out of this round, as Garmin hasn't extended beta 20.13 support to that model yet. This could be because the company is preparing a more feature-rich build specifically for Pro version, possibly one that integrates the additional sensors and functionalities exclusive to that model. Historically, Garmin's update cycle for Pro editions lags slightly behind the standard variants as the company refines the added hardware and features. So Fenix 8 Pro users can expect their turn soon. The fact that Garmin continues to push out such detailed and well-documented beta updates is a testament to its long-term commitment to product excellence. Unlike many smartwatch manufacturers that roll out updates with vague notes, Garmin's changelogs are transparent, precise, and clearly reflect community-driven improvements. The company's beta program, which allows users to test pre-release firmware, has become a cornerstone of its innovation process, enabling Garmin to gather valuable real-world data before global rollouts. If you haven't joined the program yet, it's worth considering. Not only do you get early access to the latest updates, but you also get to shape the evolution of the Garmin ecosystem through your feedback. Now, if we take a broader look at the Garmin ecosystem, the release of beta version 20.13 also gives us insight into what's next. As Garmin transitions from a v20.xx beta builds to a stable v21.xx release, we can expect a major software milestone that consolidates all recent fixes, performance upgrades, and possibly introduces new wellness and navigation features. Given Garmin's current trajectory, the next update could focus on improved battery management, AI-based activity summaries, and new widgets for sleep and stress tracking. Garmin's focus on optimization suggests that the upcoming stable firmware will not only enhance reliability, but also improve longevity for devices like the Fenix 8 and Enduro 3, both designed for endurance athletes and outdoor explorers. For now, though, beta version 20.13 is a strong sign that Garmin is fine-tuning its software perfection before the next phase of updates rolls out. If you rely on your Garmin device for training, navigation, or tracking performance, updating to version 20.13 is highly recommended. The fixes directly address usability and stability issues that could impact real-world performance. Users who install the update report fewer random reboots, better Bluetooth connectivity, and a more responsive touchscreen during workouts. In addition, subtle improvements to GPS accuracy and data synchronization make daily use more fluid and reliable. To wrap it up, Garmin's beta version 20.13 is more than just another patch. It's a comprehensive refinement of the user experience, reaffirming Garmin's dominance in the high-end smartwatch market. Whether you're a Fenix 8 owner tracking endurance challenges, a Tactix 8 user relying on military-grade durability, or an Enduro 3 athlete pushing performance limits, this update ensures that your device runs smoother, faster, and smarter than ever. And if you're wondering whether you should install beta 20.13 now or wait for stable release, TechVerse recommends that experienced users who are part of the beta program go ahead and install it. The fixes far outweigh any minor risks of beta software. However, if you prefer maximum stability, it's best to wait just a few weeks for the official stable release, which will include all these improvements and more. So, as Garmin gears up for its next phase of smartwatch evolution, one thing is clear. The company continues to listen, improve, and deliver. With every new update, Garmin cements its reputation as the gold standard in fitness technology and outdoor innovation. That's all for today's coverage of the Garmin Beta 20.13 update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more tech updates. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep exploring the latest in wearable innovation, right here on TechVerse.